financial expert, educator, successful investor, and best-selling author Robert Kiyosaki is about to give you the information you need to implement a realistic, achievable plan of building and growing wealth.
Kiyosaki is the New York Times best-selling author of, among other books, Rich Dad, Poor Dad.
Today, the series has sold 20 million-plus copies worldwide. Today, Kiyosaki shares his revolutionary wisdom with you, just as his rich dad shared it with him.
It's information that can take you from working for money to your money working for you.
Information that can set you free.
Thank you and welcome. Appreciate that. Today we're going to go to a very important subject on why the rich are getting richer. As most of you know, most people think investing is risky. And the reason it's risky is because our school systems have very little information about the subject of investing or financial education. My poor dad always said to me, go to school, get a safe, secure job with a big corporation or the government. Not because I love what I did, because of security, but also for retirement. I want nothing in my name. Is that correct?
That's correct, Robert.
And how do I protect myself? My own corporation, right?
You use corporations, LLCs, limited partnerships. There are a number of selections you can make to protect your assets.
One of the things my poor dad taught me, he said, son, my house is in my name. My car is in my name. And that is a real poor middle-class attitude.
Mr. Trump, can you tell me why you suggested writing this book together?
One day after one of our speeches in front of a tremendous crowd of people, 61,500 people, he came up to me and he said we ought to do something together. And I've had lots of #1 bestsellers, and he's had lots of #1 bestsellers, and we're just putting it all together.
If you can change your outlook, change some of your values, and change your rules, you'll find there's a whole other set of rules out there that are more conducive for people who want to be rich. The story of Rich Dad, Poor Dad is really a story of two different fathers with two different sets of values and completely different sets of advice. So I don't mean to insult anybody or, to damage your values, but really that was the difference. For example, my poor dad always said, go to school, get good grades, get a high-paying job, work hard, live below your means, save money, get out of debt, have a good retirement plan. And that was my poor dad's advice. My rich dad said, you probably won't get rich doing that because very few people get rich following that